Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you guys can delete your Discord server. So it's pretty simple to delete your Discord server. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe and notification turn on to our channel because we post content like this. So to get notified for our future video, be sure to subscribe and notification on. And let's start today's video without any further ado. So this server over here is my Discord server. So hover your mouse on top of your Discord server's icon and right click on it. And over here, as you guys can see, server setting, you can click on server settings, and once you click on server setting, there's going to be a delete server button over here. You can click on delete server and enter the server name over here. So my server name is Witchy server, so I'm going to enter that name over here. For entering your server name, you can click on delete server and wait for it, and then you need to show them a reason why you deleted the server. You can click on whichever reason you want and click on done, and boom, as you guys can see, my server is deleted. So that's basically how you delete a Discord server. To delete your Discord server on mobile, go to your Discord app, and once you're in your Discord app, all your Discord server is going to be displayed in this column. So right now, this is my Discord server. Just tap and hold on the Discord server's icon over here. Hold on it for some time, and this setting opens up. Now you can click on more option, and after clicking on more option, you can go on settings. And on setting, you can click on this three dot which is at the top right corner, click on it and click on delete server and click on delete. Now it's going to ask you why you want to delete your Discord server. You can choose whichever you want. Just click on it and boom, your server has been deleted. So that's basically how you delete a Discord server on mobile and PC. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe and notification turn on to our channel because we post content like this, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'll be signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.